Yo, what's up, guys? Ugh. Yeah, trade recap, and also look at all the trades I took during the week. I don't even remember them. I have them in my journal, so we'll look for them. But yeah, trade recap for today. I took this trade on silver, and I forgot it was Friday, bro. I would have closed at 1 to 1. Yeah, I would have closed at 1 to 1, but I couldn't. I I forgot it was Friday. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me focus up. I forgot it was Friday. Otherwise, I would have closed this at 1 to 1. This isn't actually the way the trade's going, cause my MT5 is a little bit different. It's just a little bit different. So my MT5 I'm targeting a 1 to 2, but on this it's supposed to be like a 1 to 3, basically. Let me see if I can read out the price levels. The structure's the same, like literally almost exactly the same, but like, is it just the thing? What do you call it? I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. Let me shut my ass up. Hmm. No, I'm joking. But yeah, bro, it's Zilchina Gani. Okay, look. I hope you can see. Uh, Wrong room. I'm at my cousin's place, and I'm using my little cousin's room. Yeah, so she forgot that I was here. Anyway, bro. So yeah. On my MT5, it says I entered at 79,705. 79,708, I mean, on this candle, which would be something like somewhere there. And then it says my stop is 79,522, which is like there. And my take profit is 80,108. Which is in the same area. I need to figure this out. Oh, let me see if I can look at silver on another, like, uh, yo, XAG. Bruh, have to be on indices. It's not on Forex. I'm low key surprised. That must be an index because I'm not using a futures firm. Bro, this is crazy. Huh. I'm genuinely surprised. Commodity CFD. If it's a CFD, ain't it on Forex? I guess it's an index then. Let's check out Oanda. Oanda. Definitely no Oanda. Oanda ain't finna work. Let's look at forex.com. My TP 8108. Nah, it's in. Cause on my NT5 I got the break of candle and that was 708. I mean, this is kinda similar. Bro, I feel so freaking hot. FXCM, no. Pepperstone, maybe. Pepperstone seems to be closer. Yeah, so let's use Pepperstone. Boom. 707, same thing. Stop 522, and then this should give me like a roughly 1 to 2. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give it to me. My gosh, bro. Freaking 522. Can I get 522? 523, that's good enough. And then targeting the highs. 180, 108, somewhere there. This would be moved up slightly, but yeah, this is just about 1 to 2, which is exactly what I'm using. So I'll use Pepperstone. Pepperstone matches my thing at the moment. So yeah. Yeah, bro. So like, yeah. Leaving the trading profits, and it's so disorganized. If you're watching through this, that's actually impressive, bro. Let's look at the trades I took throughout the week. Today's the 9th. Alright. Yeah, so first trade was I took a GU 5 minute. Can't get rid of all this. Yeah, I took a GU 5 minute on Monday. I don't even remember if I won or lost. Let's see if we can find it. Must have been this one. Yeah, I remember I took a loss. It was this right here, and I love the trade so much, bro. Textbook freaking setup. But I was informed that when you see this little, like, over here, the way it's like struggling to break, that's not a good sign. Well, it's not necessarily struggling to break, but when you see huge bottom wicks, investors already bought at the price like they wanted to buy, you know, which is the whole point of the strategy. So that trade lost. Oh yeah, I also thought it might just like session open BS or something. I did not change this to my time zone. There we go. Yeah, I also thought it might just be session open BS, but yeah, took a loss over there. Next was on the 6th of gold on the 6th. I believe I won a trade on gold. Yeah, I remember hitting a 1 to 2 on gold. Must have been this. Is it? No. Accuracy zone. It was a bit of a smaller structure. A little bit later in the day, I remember. Huh. Where the hell is this? Let me see, 5 minute textbook, 1 to 2. Yeah, I didn't even write if it was a buyer, so I'm tripping. I'm tripping up amazing, brother. Pop off, only on occasion, brother. Anyway, but I did a trade recap on it, some shorts. Freaking somewhere. This is the 6th, right? Yeah, 6th, Tuesday, January 2026. Why can I not see this trade? Okay, let me stop tripping. 7 in the morning, we had this. Boom. 5 minute or 30 minute? 5 minute. Might have been a 30 though. I kind of want to take a puke. I would have loved to take this trade, but I wasn't looking at the charts. Peak. Wait, this is the trade I took. Yeah. 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 Took it exactly for a 1 to 2. Boom ski. Boom shakalaka. There you go. That's how I 1 to 2 on gold. Seems could have had it for much longer. Are there any other draws on the quay? I could have targeted. I guess this. Did this even get drawn on? Nah. Anyway, I'm just looking at things, bro. Next was a UJ 5 minute. Yeah, I should have not taken this trade, bro. Wasn't even in session. Was a supply, but it like instantly lost. I mean, granted, it was a nice supply, but I'm just not supposed to trade when it's not in session. I feel sleepy. Oh yeah, I still have it marked up. This was trade. Boom. Plus, Ben took it, and like Ben's one of the mods in the Discord, bro. So I was like, yeah, this trade, I'm gonna just do it, lock some profits in real quick, and that didn't work. You know, you can't be trading from a scarcity mindset, bro. You can't trade when you have the slightest emotion of, I'm taking this trade just so that I can get a little bit extra. Let me write that down. You can't trade with a scarcity mindset. Full stop. They'll always be. I would rather write opportunities, but I don't have that much space in my book. I'm writing in all caps, so I've written chances. But yeah, I get the point. Let me write this down. Trade for today, silver. See, let me look at the trade while talking about it, so I can really understand. Miles, miles from Tomorrowland. Miles, miles from Tomorrowland. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Excuse me, but I need the futures trading account for my metals. Break of structure there. Break of structure here. I'm trying to get that line as straight as possible. I like when the line is straight. I know it's not straight, but yeah. Demand zone, liquidity, good retrace, nice little fake. Well, some people draw the blocks using the bomb bullish work, but whatever, bro. Nice retrace, nice breaks of structure. Slowly pushed the upside, kind of consolidated, but upwards, and yeah, I like this trade, so I'll be holding it for a 1 to 2. I want to be greedy and hold for this drawn liquidity, but that's crazy. I need to watch a video about drawing liquidity, by the way. Fully understand it. So yeah. So if this was on another pair, I wouldn't quite like the setup as much, but metals, especially in the current state of the world. If you're gonna take a buy, short, maybe that's when you'd have to wait for like 10 out of 10 setup. But yeah, if you're taking a short, bro, you don't really have to do too much. If you're taking a buy, you don't have to do too much. As long as your analysis is good, you're gonna be Gucci. Steady, yeah. So I would say it's like a B plus setup, but it's a precious metal and it's a current state of the world affairs. That's why I believe in this setup. So, let me write that down real quick. Accidentally holding over the weekend. Nice setup though. Let's hope it plays WELL. Wow. So yeah, bro. Actually, I haven't looked at my funded next account. So overall, how much am I down? I'm down 1% in total. Let me check. Yeah, I'm pretty sure because I breached my account with on the ODUSD trade, right? Yeah, so over I'm down 1%. That makes sense, given all the trades I took this week. I've taken 3 losers this week. GU lost gold, got a 1 to 2. No. The ODUSD trade. One from last week. That one was on my funded Instagram. That's why I'm down 1% at the moment. Yeah, so that's the trade recap. I don't know why I feel tired sitting in this chair, bro. I feel so tired for some reason. But yeah, I'm trying to understand court reports. Court reports or core reports? I don't even know, bro. I want to say court reports. So yeah, just looking at court reports and stuff, bro. Trying to make this make sense. You get me? Nah, let's do major currencies. Da, 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 da. So yeah, JPY. There's a guy in the Discord who loves the Japanese yen. Always peeping it. But yeah, bro, so that's the recap for the day. I don't know. I might try to make this a thumbnail real quick. Let me. And yeah, bro, that's. I don't know. Let's hope that's gonna be the thumbnail. Alright, boys, GG's. I need to really start caring about my videos, bro. Because for making videos, I at least want them to be decent, but yeah, I'm not really looking to edit too much at the moment. But yeah, bro, you still learning how to trade? Keep trading. Keep trading.